verbatim input a.c. Yes, my C code which will be printed. If I am added verbatim input, here a.c is placed. Okay, a.c is also available. Then similar way I will add slash verbatim input test.java. Yes, my Java code is also embedded. TC here. My C code is embedded here. Verbatim input. So use package verbatim. We choose to add my programming code inside my pseudocode or programming code inside my paper. So this is what it will be created. So is for LaTeX configuration. This is a small agenda for this whole day. So everything which will be combined together to create a simple paper. I will summarize everything. So starts from the introduction. LaTeX is a typesetting program. We choose to provide quality typeset document. Then installation, we need TextLive package. Then MikTeX for compiler, CTAN archive for all those packages. Then Text Studio for editor, Acrobat Reader for PDF viewer. Then the proper document structure / document classes article, begin document, end document. Inside that you can create your entire content. The preamble for /title /author /date. Table of content for printing table of content, list of figures, list of tables too. Fancy header for creating a header. Then text for text bold, list for begin enumerate, end enumerate, table for creating an excellent table, images for inserting images. That is for begin figure and end figure. Inside that you can include graphics. Ticks for creating vector graphics. Then mathematical equation representation. You can create multiple format for creating an equation using $ for inside a paragraph, $$ for adding in a new line, begin equation, end equation, adding in a new line with the equation number. Then complex mathematical equation, begin align, end align, which is placed inside a package called as AMS math. Then begin theorem, end theorem, begin lemma, end lemma, begin proof, end proof, begin corollary, end corollary. This is for creating theorem, corollary, lemma, as well as the entire mathematical representation, AMS math pack. Then at the end, you can entering into automation, presentation, and final policy. You can create your own configuration file using class file creation, and then you can create your conference proceeding. You can create a class file for your conference proceeding. Then you can format your document. Then anyway, journal, IEEE Sphere Springer journal format, it's covered under tomorrow's session. So I hope I have covered everything. Any questions from participant side? Before that, 1 second, please. So I think one day, the whole day, that is for LaTeX software. Actually, the software was introduced in the year 1970. Till the software was stands on the field because of its powerfulness. It's used for formatting your document in a fancy way. So use it for your golden research work, for paper creation, as well as thesis creation. So at the end, I will conclude with a small story. So the story which will be named as Hare and Tortoise. So I hope many of you are familiar about this story. Anyway, just 2 minutes, I will explain that story and I will conclude. So the story was Hare and Tortoise. So once upon a time, there was a race between Hare and Tortoise. The reason for the race was who runs faster. Tortoise said, I am a fast runner. Hare said, no, I am a fast runner. So there was a race between Hare and Tortoise. The race was started. The race was started. So Hare ran faster than Tortoise. There is a huge distance between Hare and Tortoise. So Hare takes some rest under a tree. Then Tortoise will slowly move and reach the destination. Now Hare woke up and realized that he lost the race. The moral behind this race was slow and steady wins the race. Moral for the story was slow and steady wins the race. Did you accept that moral? You can slowly study this LaTeX for 1 year. Then I can create a journal paper and conference paper. This is not acceptable. So slow and steady wins race. It's not acceptable here. So story continues. Next day, here think about its failure, then analyze the reason for failure. Analyze again. Because of its laziness, it lost the race. So next day, hare met tortoise again. They're arranged for another race. Now hare ran faster than tortoise, then reach the destination in a very, very short duration. Now the moral behind the story was fast and consistent, which will always beat slow and steady. So always you can work fast, always you can learn fast, always you can practice fast, then only you can achieve more. So fast and consistent, which will always beat slow and steady. Anyway, now tortoise will lose the race. So next day, tortoise will think about its failure. How can I win the hare? So think again. It's impossible for winning a hare in the same path. So tortoise choose a different strategy. In between source and destination, there is a river. Now the race was started in a different path. The race was started between hare and tortoise. Now hare ran faster than tortoise. In front of the river, hare was stopped. Tortoise will slowly move and swam on the river and reach the destination. The moral behind the story was identify your core competent area. Tortoise choose this core competent area. After that, you can play on that battlefield. Surely you will succeed. If you are interested in CSE, you can choose computer as your core. If you are interested in mathematics, choose mathematics as your core. And then you can play on that battlefield. Surely you will succeed. Then anyway, in the last, hare and tortoise are good friends. Then arrange for a final race. In the ground, hare will took over tortoise on the top and run faster. In the water, tortoise will took over hare on the top and swam faster. Again in the ground, hare will took over tortoise on the top and run faster. Now both of them reach the destination in a very, very short duration. Now the moral behind the story was unity is strength, teamwork. So one of them learning how to add title as well as section. Another one learning how to create equation in an efficient way. Another one learning how to create ticks and images, list and other things. You can work as a team and practice, then only you can achieve a lot. I conclude the statement in Tamil. Muyalum vellum, amayum vellum, muyalamai oru bodum velladu. If you work hard, then only it's possible for achieve everything. So the hard work, if you practice again, then only it's possible for learning LaTeX. So any questions from participant side? So you can, at the end, I will share the demo experiment. So you can practice the entire thing, which will be created in a manual. I will share my website address, the manual, as well as all those things, all those simple experiment with the practical explanation with demo. In addition to that, the complete paper creation, everything available in the website. The website URL I will share with you. Then manual presentation, everything I will share with coordinator as well as share with you. Then if you have any questions. I hope you have learned everything in a fine manner. Whatever possible, whatever I have known, that will be I will share with you. So if you have any questions, anything, you can mail me, or otherwise the WhatsApp number is also available in the website. You can view that. Similar with the entire tutorial as well as the materials also available in my website, kesavaraja.wordpress.com. Similar way, in the website there is a URL which will be called as feedback. During your free time, if possible, you can fill that feedback too. Always your feedbacks are welcome. Thank you. Thanks for listening. Thank you all. Hand over to host. Madam, please.
Good evening, everyone. I hope all the participants would have found today's sessions useful. Now it's time to thank the resource person for the day. Kesavaraja, we sincerely thank you for your valuable contribution as resource person. Your
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
insightful session and expertise have greatly enriched the learning experience and made today's session a success. We appreciate your time, effort, and commitment as always. Thank you for accepting the invitation and engaging all the participants for the entire day. And participants, we thank you for being so, actively actively engaged in today's session, and we expect the same to continue in tomorrow's session as well. And with that, we think we can wind up today's sessions. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.